Welcome back friends. Today in this video tutorial of Anita Bioconcept, and in this video tutorial I will be discussing about the activation of HIV-1 Pro virus. In my previous video lecture I have explained about how the HIV retroviruses does infect their target cell. So before going ahead today, how the activation of HIV-1 Pro virus just takes place, let me review about the mechanism of the infection of HIV-1 viruses, how they infect their host cell. Okay, so what happens first of all, this GP120 glycoprotein of the HIV viruses does bind with the CD4 receptor, CD4 which are present on the host cell membrane surface, and after that fusion takes place in between the some fusogenic domains which are present in GP means glycoprotein 41 and of HIV1 and CXCR4 which are the G protein linked coupled receptor. Okay, and after that the core protein is being degraded and viral genomes and enzymes are released into the cytoplasm of host cell, and after that the role of reverse transcriptase enzymes comes into action. As I told that what does its role, the reverse transcriptase enzyme does catalyzes the formation of DNA molecule, and after that the DNA RNA hybrid is formed. RNA DNA hybrid formation takes place, and after that the original RNA template is degraded by the help of ribonuclease enzyme, and so after that the double stranded DNA molecule is formed, and this double stranded DNA molecule means pro virus becomes integrated to the host cell genome by the help of viral integrase enzyme, and this provirus remains latent until the events in the infected cell leads to its activation, resulting in the formation of more virus particles. So now let's start the activation of this HIV-1 provirus. How the activation of this HIV-1 provirus takes place. Okay, so what happens here? First of all, the transcription factors stimulate the transcription of this proviral DNA into genomic single stranded RNA, and after processing several mRNAs. Okay, so this forms the single stranded RNA, and after processing several mRNAs. Okay, and then after these are mRNAs and these are single stranded RNA, and after that what happens, these viral RNA is transported to the cytoplasm, okay, and what happens in the cytoplasm, with the help of host cell ribosome, here ribosomes are present, host cell ribosomes are present, and these host cell ribosomes catalyzes the synthesis of viral precursor proteins. Okay, this catalyzes the formation of viral precursor protein. These are viral precursor proteins, and after that the protease enzyme, the viral protease enzyme does cleave these precursor proteins to form proteins. Okay, and after that what happens? After that HIV single stranded RNA and proteins does assemble beneath the host cell membrane, into which the GP41 and GP120 glycoproteins are inserted. So how this is going to happen? Like this. Okay, here HIV single stranded RNA and proteins assemble beneath the host cell membrane, into which the GP41 and GP120 glycoproteins are inserted. This is GP41, and this is GP120. Okay, and after that what happens? Let me try to. And after that what happens here? The membrane buds out. Okay, here you can see this membrane buds out, forming the viral envelope. Okay, forming the viral envelope like this, forming the viral envelope, forming the viral envelope. Okay, here also I have left it. This is the RT enzyme here, and this membrane bursts out, forming the viral envelope, and finally viral particles completes its maturation. Viral particles completes its maturation like this. Okay, and finally this virus particle completes its maturation. So here this is the GP41, and here this is the GP120. So finally this virus particles getting matured. Okay, so this is how the activation of HIV-1 Pro virus, which was integrated and which has become integrated with the host cell genome, this becomes activated. Okay, so now again I am reviewing these points. So first of all, what happens, these transcription factors stimulate the transcription of proviral DNA into single stranded RNA, and after processing these several mRNAs are getting formed, and after that these viral RNAs are getting transported into the cytoplasm, and here what happens, with the help of these host cell ribosomes, these mRNAs are being responsible for the formation of precursor proteins, and after that the viral protease enzyme, not host protease, viral protease enzyme does cleave these precursor proteins into proteins, and after that this HIV single stranded RNA and proteins does assemble beneath the host cell membrane, into which the GP41 and GP120 are being inserted, and finally the membrane bursts out, forming the viral envelope, and finally this virus particle will get matured. So this is how the activation of HIV-1 Pro virus takes place. So with this, thank you all. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.